Hey everyone, so today is day one of our safari and I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna wear. This is my room, by the way. Isn't it very pretty? Yes, right now we are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we are heading to Masai Mara. So the thing with African safari is you have to wear earth tone clothes and avoid colors like black, blue, to avoid insect bites, red, because some of the animals are scared of that color. So I'll be wearing a beige top. I think this is from H&M, and I'll be wearing these green cargos. These are from Street 9, very affordable and comfortable. And I'll be wearing these boots, and they're cute, really comfortable. These are from Catwalk. Yeah, and I think I'll pair it with this hat. Looks good, right? Okay. So let me quickly change and get back. And this is my final look. I'm waiting for my hair to dry naturally, and then I'm gonna pair this with this hat. See you later. Bye.